I found out that the Bulgara Veyron bass amp head uses a special speaker port, which is called a Speakon cord. This one has the Speakon up at the back of the amplifier, and then the other end is a 1/4-inch male jack that goes into my homemade speaker box. I built myself. It has 2 Electro Voice PA speakers in it. Anyway, you're going to want to know this trick if you have one of these. You twist it. See if I can do it. Pull the lever back and you twist it and it comes out. But to put it in, you have to line it up with the hole. Let me see if I can do that. Okay, now it's going in. I thought this is what you had to do to hook it up, but then I got on a website and someone said you have to use a twist connector. Well, apparently it's not a different connector, it's this one, and you just twist it ever so slightly. It's about 1/8 of a turn, and now it's making contact and the speaker box will work off the amplifier. Just thought I'd show it to people. It was such a puzzle that I thought I'd put a video out on it to help anybody who happens to use one of these amp heads or has to use a speaker cable like that. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.